bafethu kunjani igama Remington Mfoka Swela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one nabafethu ke angihambi kiyiwani ke ngihamba neboss.
Yeah, man. Eish. Well, bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on the screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Namhlanje bafethu imini olalele.
Makhosi kunjani? Set bafethu today we're speaking about the Nedbank Cup. So Orlando Pirates will be playing up against iKaizer Chiefs like 21 on a Saturday. So mfethu ngiyazi ubuya endliweni ngiyazi ukuthi awumnandanga. But again, let's look because we cannot take away from the fact that Orlando Pirates has been on form and they just have a portfolio one bashayile, ne? And then now we're going to Kazaric. I don't know if you want to start commenting on the previous game or you want to go forward, you want to blame who is who. Talk to us.
I think on this game, hey, angazi ukuthi bawuthi because maybe it's Kazrick. Maybe assume. Yeah, but going back to a game, let's start just to touch base.
Yeah.
I think it was a wake up call for us.
It was needed.
Yes, it was needed. We could tell from the performance. I wouldn't dwell on that on individual performances, but even the coach himself, he needs to improve.
Yeah.
And give us consistency in terms of his selection.
Yeah.
Going into a game, Kazrick, I think it's a straightforward game at the arena. When I say it's a straightforward game, I mean that
that's what I want to hear.
It's a game which Orlando Pirates needs to win.
Yeah.
To redeem themselves, to
Yeah.
bounce back immediately because we have a big game the following weekend. So we need to bounce back. We are fighting for all these trophies. We need to show that on the game itself. I know that there will be some fringe players who are not used to playing who will be playing because just to try and balance the squad in terms of minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I hear you. And you are saying it's going to be a straightforward game and you're trying to explain, which I don't actually understand. But I'm saying, okay, coming to a lose, man, and then going to the Kazrick game, which is a must win. I agree with that. So what kind of changes do you expect to see going to this game?
I think first change, all Orlando Pirates supporters want to see is the fact that Umbata must be backgrounding. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Another thing that it's not really a change. I think it happened. We commented on this previously when we played against the Senior Sutherland and Imapit. We Nedbank the first game.
Yeah.
Chakuma. It's the fact that either a police or Mfukeng need to be in the game. I'm hoping to see Umahopa up front because honestly speaking, Humbutuma gets a lot of chances. Don't get me wrong, he's a good striker, gets a lot of chances, but he needs to improve on finishing. I hope on this game uzobe busy ehlele Orlando. Oh well, sidlale Orlando, so you'll be in the training grounds practicing a shootout while Mahopa is playing. I know Mahopa is not a deadly striker as well, but he gives us a lot of things that we don't normally think we deserve. But we've seen that on previous games, even on Ibafana, where he showed up when he was needed the most. Yeah.
No. Before I even touch on Kazrick, I just want to intrigue you a bit. So going to this game, you see yourself winning this game?
Yeah, there is a definite sure that we want to win this game.
I'll come back to the predictions.
I think you are interested in proving us wrong, but honestly speaking, Orlando Pirates is a big team. Take nothing away from Kazrick, but we just need to bounce back, and also coach needs to show why he's been doing well.
Yeah,
I think somehow it doesn't really do good in terms of consistency. I don't understand why a player would be a man of the match and then he doesn't play at all. 2 big games He shows what he's hungry for this thing.
Exactly.
He's willing to fight for his place. He deserves the place. I'm talking about Umbat.
He did it. He did it with Masangwa. Masangwa.
Yes,
From the
yes,
previous game, he was
exactly,
good, and then he gave him a chance. So
exactly.
yeah,
And the ukuthi size I'm just putting into context le nto kaMaswanganyi. He deserved to start the game, Sundowns. Yes, he
Yes.
didn't play well, but we were not saying we are Maswanganyi.
yes.
The
Because
only
previous
yes,
games, he was showing you
exactly,
he's trying to raise his
exactly,
hand. You want
yeah,
to keep something?
exactly.
No, no, no.
Another player foot that we had a lot of problems with. I think got that one. It's with the coach. Yabo Usibelebele is not really a bad player. Usibelebele, I think he is able to cover the ground because on the speed, but the way adlale ngakhona against Mamelodi Sundowns, I, it wasn't convincing.
Yeah.
Positional, angikhulumi ngokuthi maybe bebemshiya or he was losing the balls. Positional wise,
Yeah.
if you can check both of their goals at Sundowns, they were coming from his position because he wasn't there to press. Once elimala kungena
Van
uVan Rooyen, you could tell now with the team emuva is balanced. Yeah, we also need the Bosiema to pick up their socks. Yeah.
Speaking of
Pull up
OCM
their
and all
socks,
that, I want to ask about the defense. Would you say you can firstly say he absent Yambogazi in that back line? Do you think he affected Pirates ukungabi khona kwakhe?
No, I wouldn't say that. Um, yes, Umbogazi was a big player to us.
Yeah.
But for me, I feel like we have done well because in fact, ever since Umbogazi hambile, we've conceded 2 goals.
Yeah.
Right. But the only culprit that we always had, I will call him a culprit, was Sibisi.
Captain.
I think Mina, I talked about him when we were playing against was it Kazakh? No. The game in midweek.
Yeah.
Sidlala naMaZulu. You could tell he had a very good game, but you could tell ukuthi yena muntu, if they press him, he can actually break down.
Yeah.
Yabo? So ukhombisile kwigame ye-Sundowns because sikhuluma ngosibelebele, but yabo the first goal, it was him who was supposed to mark the strike in his position. Akekho yena khona. The positioning sometimes shine in that game. Yeah.
Yeah, noma ungafuna ungiphendule ukuthi impact of absence yakhe uMbogazi.
Okay. Ukuqedela-ke, what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
ucoach, one thing ucoach ke engimthandelayo yabo njengamanje is proving him ukuthi okay fine iba khona fail because we played against Chakuma and Gonzalo Chabatara. He had a very good game, Chabatara.
Yeah.
I think he was pairing with him. But we are hoping Muti, as time goes by, Chabatara actually takes Ijezi in that position because Siema, you cannot judge him by one bad game.
Yeah.
You know, he's still a good player for us. He's shown that week in, week out. So the position that we are looking to actually it's our captain.
Yeah.
It's in history, yeah, Orlando Pirates. So captain uhlale bench.
Speaking from my head,
Yes, Mahela.
Once upon Jele.
Jele. Yeah.
Lehwai.
Captain Pirates uhlale bench bafethu. Hayi
No, I hear you, Maka. Not to take anything away, not to sound bad or otherwise, but
Yeah.
it's legally maybe we can say we know about Kazri, right?
Yes.
But I think I recall previous season they were playing my playoffs, trying to get to the PSL, and looking at their position. I know you don't believe in numbers because it's not the reality of whatever, but they are sitting on number 4 on the Motsepe Champions League, right? I think they are 6 points behind compared to number 1, right? So, as much as Pirates is coming from a loss and they're looking at winning this game, but Kazuric is also looking at coming to EPSL, right? So for me, I feel them it's like it's a big test for them if they are ready to come to the PSL. Can they actually compete going to play Orlando Pirates? I don't know if you want to add something in that.
Yeah, okay. With regards to that, you
Yeah.
remind me. I think it's a solid team. You wouldn't say it's like a Chakuma where they're playing in that division league. This one it's a second division, and they are actually fighting. Because I remember Ugoti, I'm not sure if it's mid January, they were number one.
Yeah.
But they just dropped in terms of the performance right now. I'd say their form is a bit low because their previous game they played 2-2 draw, I think.
Yeah.
So yes, they can pose a threat, but I think at the moment they just need maybe that big game to
Yeah.
pick
To
up,
boost their
yes,
confidence.
to boost their confidence. Anyways, they have nothing to lose, to be honest. They need to show the world because AMA games, NFT, they don't really get televised.
Yeah.
So that also is a factor. Everyone wants to actually show up and show himself. They audition at the guy
Yeah. Yeah.
in that
Yeah.
game. Yeah.
So you are saying for them going to this game, as much as you are saying they have nothing to lose,
Yeah.
so which means for them they can actually cause a threat to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Okay. So Bafeto, I don't know if you wanna predict the actual score.
I don't predict scores.
You're only predicting a win.
Yeah, I would say Neil Kazrik. I don't know Orlando Pirates how many goals.
Bafeto,
they're
there you
going
heard
to
it.
score.
Bafeto, angazi ke. So it's up to you. You can comment
Yeah.
down below and tell us ukuthi, is it Orlando Pirates going to win this one or Kazrik is winning this one? Comment down below. Bafeto, focus well. I'm out of here.